Time to tune up my Domino. I've been using it a lot lately. I just want to do a little maintenance on it. First thing I'm going to do is clean these guide rods. All I'm going to do is use a little mineral spirits. Not a lot. Yeah, you could use a little cleaning. And get the other one. Then I'm going to roll this up and see if I can get inside and do these bushings as well. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to get a dry cloth and make sure everything gets dried up here. Probably should have that bit out so I don't get cut up, but I think we're okay. Okay. Get these dried off. All right. Now I got to get, I'm going to put a little lube on these as well. So I'm going to grab some lubricant. I'll be right back. I'm just going to use some machine oil. I don't know if this is the best thing for this, but I'm going to try it. Put a little on my paper towel there. And just coat these rods. It should be enough. Doesn't take a lot. Get them cleaned up. Let's see how she goes back together. Oh yeah. That's nice. I'm going to do one more thing here. Get that nice little pop coming off of there. I'm going to put a little bit on the end and just kind of lubricate those bearings as well, I think. Just right on the end of it here. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so the other thing I want to do is take and adjust these levers that lock everything in place here. So what you can do is put it in lock, grab a screwdriver, leave it right there and hold it. Take this screw out. Bring this board over. Take this off if I can. It's been on there for quite a while. Hang on one second. There we go. So this way is locked. I'm going to move this over one turn of the hex, I guess I'll call it. Let's make sure it still comes unlocked. Yep. Put the screw back in. And now I've got a little more bite when it comes to locking that down. I like that. I can do the same thing with this one. This one that raises it or adjusts the position of the fence up and down. So when I lock that, I mean I'm all the way in, up against the dust chute here, and it feels like it'd be nice to go just a little bit more. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to rotate this back this way, one turn. I think a little longer screwdriver would have been better here. Pop this off. and rotate up one right there. And now I can really get a bite on that. That's going to be nice. Still can loosen it up to adjust it up and down. Put this screw back in. There. Now I can really lock that. Now I'm not butted up against this, and I'm nice and clean. You know. Get a good lock there. Positive lock on that. Nice slide on the guide rods. Should be good for another probably 3 years. One last thing, I'm cleaning up the bottom here with some 7000 grit sandpaper and a little simple green, just kind of polish the base here. You've got registration lines on here that you'll see in just a minute when I wipe this off. And I didn't put the simple green right on the plate. I put it on the paper first, and then had a little sponge pad behind it. So now that's all clean, and you can see the lines better, but it's always tough to see them when you're working. So I'm going to take my utility knife, put it in that groove, and just run it. Make that etch maybe a little deeper, but also a little cleaner and clearer to see. That's that one. And there's these out here on the outside, which I've never used, but you can see the crap coming out of them. You want to make sure you stay on that line. Go slow. Light pressure. And get this one. I also put a little paste wax on the bottom here, and you can see that line much clearer now, at least to the naked eye. I hope the camera can pick it up, but it does stand out a little bit more, so I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching.